Slider windows are another common window we install. They come in two types, a 2-light slider and a 3-light slider. Here I'll demonstrate how to operate and clean a 2-light slider. Simply unlock the sash, the inner sash, bring it towards the center. Simply pick up the sash to the top, pull it out, rest that to the side. Outer sash, same thing, bring it to the middle, pick up, pull out. The screen will also come out. This is a full screen. On the 3-light slider you have 2 separate screens, and we can show you how to do that after. Simply pick up on the screen, shimmy it out, bring it inside, and reverse the process. Make sure it's engaged. Once you've washed your sashes, the simple install of the sash, just make sure you have the roller on the bottom. Okay. The outer sash is going to be a little bit smaller than the inner sash, and it has the keepers on there. Again, make sure your rollers are on the bottom. Simply pick the inner sash up in the channel, drop it down, engage the locks. Unlike the 2-light slider, the 3-light slider has a fixed centerpiece, and what we'll do to operate that and clean that is simply unlock it. Now with the 2-light you must remove the sash, with the 3-light you don't have to. The screen, however, does have to come out. Simply push it up, there's a compression spring, bring it in the home. Have your cleaning products on hand, simply stick your hand out, wash half, and then reverse on the other side. Reinstall the screen. To clean the inner sash, same thing as a 2-light slider, simply bring it to the center, clean your glass, make sure your roller's on the bottom, engage your top, drop it in, and you're all set. So the same with the 2-light slider. The 3-light slider, again, is simple and easy to operate. If you do experience any difficulties, give us a call.